offense. He still has it. Sends it out. They fire for three. They put it in. Biagar from
a drive and kick. Good finish.
Inside, Mayor showing the keys to the city.
I like.
Meanwhile, here comes Antipolo. Rote off that Manalo drop pass. It's 4-3. Here comes Mandaluyong running the race. Putting it in is no other than Julian Villano. Inside, Rojas doesn't fall. Here comes Villano off that pass from Seria. Putting it in once more, 4 points for him. Ball going to Mandaluyong. Seria pulls up, goes in. Inside the paint, short jumper. Look at that fast break pull up inside the paint, short jumper.
Ikaw pala dun. Ikaw? Maingay at cellphone.
Bawal ako sa Antipolo. And yet, I was born and raised there. For Mandaluyong naman, you might have a hidden gem in your roster.
I wouldn't call that exactly back to zero if you have Bon Irvin-Dahas see the 3-point shot from Antipolo and Iris Chua on your team.
You're losing it. Mandaluyong running the race. Villano once again escaping the defense.
Oh, the speed.
Send it to Miagar. Intercepted by Manalo. Here comes Delizo. The spin. The attack. Good for 2 points. Antipolo with that steal. Manalo forward pass to Delizo. Does not get it to fall. The putback by Agustin is good. Cuts the lead to just 2. Manalo open. Firing! As inbound play, he's wide open. Quick fire. Rip. Back to the action. 18-17. 1 point lead for Antipolo to end that first quarter after that Manalo buzzer-beating shot.
He did have those 2 highlight blocks.
Speaking of,
goes to work immediately.
Duterte to know. At least I'm the most handsome man in Inares Sports or Inares Center. As that doesn't fall for him. Here comes Villano. Attacking, scoring.
Tough move. So nilalabanan niya yung gigil niya dito sa game natin.
Yes, exactly, Coach. Gigil ang nafe-feel niya right now. You can see it in him. But meanwhile, Pabelia all the way. Villano against Manalo. Uses the pick from Curva. Still with Villano. He attacks. He scores over Duterte. You reach, I teach, say Julian Villano. Great passing, but they can't penetrate the paint. Seria calling up his screen from Curva. Pulls up for 3. Gets it to go from that left wing. To the other wing. Now it's at the left corner. Duterte muscling his way through for 2 points.
One set.
Meanwhile, it's Villano getting that lucky bounce. No? Picked up by Villano. They have 6 seconds. Delizo attacking. He is scoring once again. Making some noise in defense. Villano on the other side. Coach Mark, your thoughts for this one?
One surprising statistic dito sa halftime natin is the rebounding. We all know that Antipolo is definitely the bigger team, but Mandaluyong has 20 rebounds and Antipolo only 11.
So eager to defend. Seria to Villano, putting on the moves, attacking, scoring over 2 Antipolo defenders.
After that,
how do you like that one? Meanwhile, Agustin answering back with his own 2-pointer. Delizo, or rather that is Villano, bringing it down. Another attack, foiled by Rote. Curva, basket, and one off the glass. How? How do you like that one? Climbing up the ladder for the board against a much taller Agustin. Basket! And one for Agustin. Knockout impact. Meanwhile, it's Manalo. To Duterte, the spin. The attack. Putting it in. Instant impact for Big Boy Duterte. And it's sounding like the Inares Center here. Meanwhile, a bucket put in by Julian Villano.
Virtual.
Manalo finds Delizo. Putting in it plus a foul.
What a pass. See the pass there, the pound for pound fitness foul counted in Delizo with the great finish.
One steal in their last game. 30 minutes. Still playing significant minutes here as Villano fires away. Ripping the ropes is Julian Villano. Sure, Enrique. Oh, that is Seria able to get a steal. Floater goes in.
Tough shot from Seria.
Of course, led by Big Boy Duterte. And we shall return for more action, specifically the start of the fourth. Once again,
It's going to be an 8-second violation, and as I say that, great pass.
oh! Mayor fumbling that shot, but putting it in, making it up with an end one play.
The pass. The pass, though. And
Here comes Mandaluyong. Villano firing, sends it away. Cuts it to 6.
to work, he has 25 points.
Big Boy Duterte, great drop pass to Rote. Wele, power rebound. Manalo, quarterback-like pass. Tom Brady-like.
That's the athlete.
Filipino football. Meanwhile, that won't go, but second chance good for Villano. He has been doing it all by him. Manalo sends it to Mayor. He's against Villano. Big Boy Duterte. Too big, too strong. Manalo try to get it out of bounds. But here comes Villano. Two-pointer.
When in doubt, get the...
Agustin settles for 3. Doesn't drop. Duterte backing down Espiritu. Puts it inside. Big Boy Duterte. Big Boy moves.
Yeah, he's taking some bad shots. And see the replay. Big Boy doing big boy things.
Sends it to Delizo. The spin. The attack. Rejected. Mayor. Offensive board. Puts it in. 12-point lead for Antipolo. Oh, stripped away by Manalo. Forward pass. Duterte has it. He's all alone. All the way. Big Boy Duterte.
With that left hand.
Intercepted by Big Boy. Forward pass. Delizo all the way. Antipolo.
Antipolo's defense not letting up in the second half.
Ripping the ropes off the glass. But it's still a 13-point lead. It's not looking good. We are nearing our twilight zone. Duterte. Too big. Too strong. Too little. And no conscience. Doesn't fall. Manalo. Forward pass. Delizo. Sends it to Mayor. Alley-oop going in. What a run. On the floor, Manalo able to get it across. Putting it in was Vicente. The most known coaches, Mark Herrera, and of course, Coach Mario Gutera, a college coach as well. Also an MPBL coach for the Rizal Golden Coolers. So yeah,